Welcome to SNIDBITS, where we provide little bits of information on popular keyword searches. Stick around, you might learn something. If you're a Gen Xer, all I have to say is Ark of the Covenant, and your brain immediately envisions this. But that's Hollywood's myth. Tanakh and Old Testament stories state that 3,000 years ago, the Israelites carried the Ark of the Covenant containing the stone tablets engraved with the Ten Commandments. A portable shrine supported by poles on each side, the Ark was described as decorated with gilded angels. The books of Exodus, Judges, and Numbers cite various stories of the Ark performing miracles to save the Israelites. Stored in the Temple of Jerusalem, the Ark of the Covenant disappeared after the Babylonian Empire conquered the Israelites in 597 and 586 BC. Its true whereabouts are still unknown. Not even the Knights Templar were able to find it, and they found every other one of God's toys. Some claim that the Ark was taken to Ethiopia, where it's still stored in the St. Mary's of Zion Cathedral. However, the guardian of the Ark is the only one allowed to see it, so archaeologists have never been able to substantiate that. Others claim that the Ark is still hidden in a warren under the First Temple of Jerusalem. They've also never been able to substantiate that, as the First Temple of Jerusalem is currently located under the Islamic Dome of the Rock Shrine, where archaeologists are forbidden to dig. That means Indy was totally looking in the wrong country. Considering that every story of the Ark of the Covenant being stolen contains tragedy, pestilence, and death, I'd say Spielberg may not have been too far off. I kind of hope it stays hidden. A calorie deficit happens when you take in fewer calories than you burn in your daily activities. It's what we're doing when we want to lose weight. You can achieve this by working out more frequently and/or intensively to burn more calories, and putting the fork down. When actively working to lose weight, a healthy calorie deficit is about 500 calories per day, which will have you losing about a pound a week. Women should average 12 to 1,500 calories per day, while men get to enjoy 1,500 to 1,800 calories per day. Losing weight with a calorie restriction involves keeping track of all the foods you eat and counting how many calories are in each serving. Also making sure that your physical activity is burning off at least 500 more calories than you are taking in per day. To give some perspective, a Big Mac meal with a medium fries and Coke is 1,080 calories. A Panera Southwest Chili Lime Chicken Salad and a medium Coke is 710 calories. Both are similar portions of food with vastly different calorie value. I've been averaging 1,500 calories a day since March of 2022. It's now July of 2022, and I've lost about 27 pounds so far. And I'm not going to say it's easy. The first couple of months were rough. You can expect low energy levels and stress as your body adjusts to the calorie deficit. I straight up fell asleep at my laptop while editing a video once. And the cravings, oh God, mostly for sugar, absolutely sucked. But 4 months into it, I don't have any more cravings and I have better energy levels. Stay strong. The struggle is long and real, but you can do this. Who doesn't love a good ball pit? You know, the brightly colored playground equipments that restaurants and daycares made popular in the 80s? Sure, they're a lot of fun, but are they really good for the kids? CareALotChildcare.com says that ball pits provide small children with a way to strengthen their muscles and develop fine motor coordination as they dive around and toss the balls. It's calming sensory play that helps build strong social interaction. However, the Association for Professionals in Infection Control and Epidemiology state that ball pits are full of nasty germs, as high as thousands of bacterial cells per ball. How nasty are the ball pit contagions? We have Enterococcus faecalis, which can cause endocarditis, septicemia, urinary tract infection, and meningitis. Staphylococcus hominis, a cause of bloodstream infections that commonly causes sepsis. Streptococcus oralis, known to cause endocarditis, adult respiratory distress syndrome, and streptococcal shock. Acinetobacter wolffi, which has been reported to cause septicemia, pneumonia, meningitis, and urinary tract and skin infections. Considering that most children who play in ball pits are barely potty trained, I'm surprised that that's all that's in there. Mamas, don't let your babies play in the ball pits.